c'est ça fait yo antité. La semaine quand yo pas pensé, yo ton week-end rivé. Ou y'a le machin dans Yolo, c'est là yo ba rendez-vous l'amour.
Hey, brother, how are you? Why you excited like this in Chicago?
Because
why are you dancing?
I love the Haitian music.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
All right.
And I know that you're from Haiti.
Yes, I am.
I understand that there's an election going on in Haiti.
You know that already?
Yes, I've read
Wow.
about it and
Wow.
I've seen it on television.
Okay.
And I know that you have a man running for president of Haiti.
Okay.
And his name is Jovenel Moïse.
Jovenel Moïse. You said it right with your
Jovenel
accent,
Moïse.
with your American accent.
Yes.
Yeah, Jovenel
And
Moïse, yes.
if
There's
there
other people too, but it's not only one.
Yeah.
But how do you know Jovenel Moïse?
Well, he's a man from grassroots, and he is trying to help support the economy
Wow.
in Haiti.
Whoa.
And this is much better than the ones that burn tires. In
You
Haiti.
know about the one burning tires?
Yes. Oh, yes, I know about that.
Wow.
So, I'm in support of Jovenel Moïse because he is trying to support the people and the economy,
Wow.
to put people to work.
Wow.
And give them jobs in a stable place to live and so they can live a decent life.
Wow.
And so-
are you Haitian?
No, I'm not. I'm American.
Oh, you're American?
Yes, I'm an American.
Yeah.
But, everything I've heard about this man is over the top.
Wow.
And I think that every Haitian should vote for Jovenel Moïse.
Oh, wow. Whoa. You see why you need to vote for Jovenel? Même Américain dit oui ça. Regardez que Jovenel a battu moun, monsieur, même aux États-Unis, l'éternel. Boy, président Mateli. Le président, il a compris.
Jovenel Moïse. Jovenel Moïse.
Jovenel Moïse. Jovenel Moïse. Jovenel Moïse.
Jovenel Moïse.
Avant ma marché.
Moïse.
Combat. Le président va comprendre. Posons, peuple là en pouvoir, peuple là en pouvoir. Posons, peuple là en pouvoir. Oh oh, Haïti.
Jovenel Moïse. Jovenel Moïse. Jovenel Moïse.
C'est ça.